I have been watching, or actually listening to Kevin's radio show for the past, I'd say, month and a half, and I've been really learning a lot of just tremendous information from him over the radio, and I thought it would be a very valuable experience to come here and to be able to see him in person, but also to be able to interact with a number of the people that were here. And basically, it's just a journey of learning and just continuing to really seek out truthful information. And I thought this would be a great place to do that. I would say to anybody that has any kind of reservations about Kevin, about the radio network, I would just say have an open mind, listen, and make your determinations and judgments afterwards. But don't rush to judgment based on hearsay or innuendo. Really check it out for yourself. And just come with an open mind and listen. And I would say regarding the specific Natural Cure Seminar here, I would wholeheartedly recommend anybody just to come and to really check it out. I found it to be an extremely valuable experience to be able to be with like-minded people who are very concerned about their health and just simply want to hear truthful information. I think it's valuable for anyone to come, and I would wholeheartedly recommend it.